tired. Let's check it.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Res Hotel.
Hi, good afternoon. We're here to check in. Our booking is under Antonio, and check-in was supposed to be at 2 p.m.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Let me check your reservation. May I see your ID, please?
We can check in soon. We've been traveling since early in the morning.
Thank you for waiting. I understand you're expecting your room at 2 p.m. Let me just check the room status.
The rooms for their reservation are still being cleared. Housekeeping is behind. Full occupancy.
Don't tell me the room isn't ready. It's already past 2.
I understand your concern, ma'am. Please tell me more so I can assist you properly. I'm here to listen.
We've been traveling for hours. We planned our day and now we can't even rest because the room isn't ready. We arrived too early to avoid delays. But this is still happening? We're also hungry. I thought we could freshen up before eating.
I sincerely apologize for the delay. This is not the experience we want you to have.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm the duty manager. When I heard about the delay, I sincerely want to apologize. We had an unusually high number of checkouts today, which caused you in our housekeeping cleaning schedule.
We just want a room. We're exhausted. Good afternoon, ma'am. I've checked with our team. The rooms are now the next priority. We estimated about 15 more minutes before they're fully ready. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, but please make sure of that. We really need to settle down soon.
While waiting, we would like to offer you complimentary snacks and drinks at the lobby cafe.
We will also provide 500 pesos hotel dining voucher that you can use using your stay.
That would help a lot. Thank you. Okay, at least something is being done.
We will call you immediately once your rooms are ready. You won't need to line up again. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding. We truly appreciate you for bringing this to our attentions, and we are committed to making the rest of your stay enjoyable.
Thank you again for giving us the chance to fix the situation. Please enjoy your complimentary refreshment and we will notify you shortly.
Thank you. We appreciate your help.